Hello and welcome again. I'm Chris, and in this video you'll learn about the Python programming language and how it will help you in your ethical hacking assessments. So, what is Python? In short, Python is a high-level programming language first released in the early 1990s, and ever since it's been used not only by programmers but by people across a wide range of fields. Now, there are many Python libraries and applications for domains of interest such as engineering, math, statistics, astronomy, physics, medicine, genomics, machine learning and artificial intelligence, and of course, cybersecurity, which is our main interest. Now, the major reason for which Python has such a broad reach is because it's very easy to read, very easy to write, and it has a clear syntax. And it's very straightforward. So if you wanted to output something to the screen using a lower level programming language, you'll have to write multiple lines of code to achieve that result. Now in Python you can simply say print, I am learning ethical hacking, and that's it. A one line of code, which is, if you ask me, very efficient. Alright, now how is it that Python will help you in your ethical hacking assessments? First off, there are many libraries and tools written in Python for cybersecurity and penetration testing purposes, such as Scapy for packet analysis, Scrapy for web scraping, ReconNG for open source intelligence, SQLmap for SQL injection testing, Python Nmap for network scanning, and many others. So learning how to code in Python will not only enable you to use these modules and tools, but it will also allow you to code your own tools, as well as make more efficient use of your penetration testing process by automating as many steps of it as reasonably possible. Yes, Python is really good for putting processes on autopilot. Okay, so we'll start off by learning the very basics of Python over the course of a few videos, and then we're going to learn how to use Python for different aspects of ethical hacking and penetration testing.